Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, are known for their gentle and friendly nature. With their round bodies and expressive eyes, they are the epitome of cuteness. Living in groups near rivers and wetlands, these charming creatures enjoy basking in the sun and swimming. However, despite their sweet demeanor, capybaras often find themselves bullied by more aggressive animals. Their calm and passive behavior can make them targets at water sources, where they may encounter territorial creatures. Instead of confronting bullies, capybaras often back down, which can be disheartening to witness. Despite facing bullying, capybaras maintain a positive outlook. Their playful antics, like rolling in the grass or splashing water, remind us of their joyful spirit. These gentle giants exemplify kindness and resilience, proving that even in a harsh world, they choose to spread happiness.